We'll guide you through how to install Blender drivers easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Blender website on your computer and navigate to the Download section. Blender is constantly updating, so make sure you're downloading the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts. It's usually just a matter of agreeing to the terms and choosing the installation location, which is typically the default option unless you have a specific directory in mind. After installation, launch Blender to ensure that it opens correctly. Now, to ensure you have the right drivers, especially if you're using a high-performance GPU, you'll need to install the latest graphics drivers. For NVIDIA users, visit the NVIDIA website, and for AMD users, head over to the AMD website. Download the latest drivers appropriate for your graphics card model. Run the driver installer. It usually guides you through the installation with automatic steps, but make sure to select the option for a clean installation to remove any potential conflicts from older drivers. Once the drivers are installed, restart your computer to apply the changes. Upon reboot, open Blender again. If everything is working smoothly, you've successfully installed Blender and the necessary drivers. This should optimize performance and ensure that Blender runs efficiently on your system. If you experience any issues, double-check that your operating system is up to date, as sometimes system updates are necessary for compatibility. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.